Inside a laboratory in China, a machine opens its eyes. Its skin feels warm like a living body. Its chest rises and falls, and its face changes naturally with every word spoken to it. In only a few seconds, the line between humans and machines begins to disappear. This is no longer science fiction. It is happening today. China is racing to build humanoid robots that can work in factories, hospitals, schools, and even inside our homes. But creating a machine that truly lives alongside people requires much more than advanced hardware. It must learn to understand the world almost the same way humans do.
So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us.
China's goal is not simply to build robots that walk or talk. The country wants to create an entirely new workforce. With more than 323 million people aged 60 and above, China is facing a rapidly aging population. Humanoid robots could help fill future labor shortages while supporting industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and elderly care. One reason China is advancing so quickly is Shenzhen, home to one of the world's largest electronics supply chains. Engineers can find almost every component they need within days, allowing robot prototypes to move from design to testing at incredible speed. Hundreds of robotics companies now work together, creating a complete ecosystem for humanoid robot development. Because our world is already designed for the human body, humanoid robots can use existing tools, climb stairs, open doors, and work in spaces built for people without redesigning entire workplaces. China is also creating national standards so robots developed by different companies can safely operate in real-world environments. Modern humanoid robots are becoming far more realistic than earlier generations. Companies are developing faces that blink, smile, maintain eye contact, and even produce subtle facial expressions. Some robots now have artificial skin kept close to human body temperature, making physical interaction feel more natural instead of cold and mechanical. Behind these realistic appearances is powerful artificial intelligence. Robots combine cameras, microphones, and language models to understand conversations, recognize people, observe their surroundings, and decide how to respond. But physical intelligence remains one of the greatest challenges. A robot must balance while walking, judge the correct amount of force to hold objects, and safely react to unexpected situations, such as obstacles or people suddenly entering its path. Every successful task generates valuable training data. As more robots work in factories and businesses across China, they continuously learn from real-world experience, helping future robots become safer, smarter, and more reliable.